Are you looking for a luxury home in a beautiful master plan community? Well, you found the right video. You're in the right spot. Hang around for sure. You're not going to want to miss this one. I'm in ARTAVIA right here in Conroe, and I'm standing in the Falcon 2, a beautiful semi-custom J Patrick home. And this is the second home tour I've done for J Patrick, and I did the other one over in Magnolia, and it's no less impressive. You're going to absolutely love this one. The game room, the movie room upstairs is going to knock your socks off. Make sure you hang around for that. But before I go any further, my name is Jared Fikes. I'm with eXp Realty. I am your Houston, Texas real estate agent. Hey, if you like videos like this, make sure you hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss a single one. Well, let's get to this tour. Can't wait for it. Let's go. Okay, here it is, the Falcon 2 by J Patrick Homes, right here in ARTAVIA in Conroe, Texas. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Let's talk about this for a minute. As you can see, the curb appeal, there was no detail that wasn't attended to. This home is drop dead gorgeous. The base price on this one is $669,990, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3-car garage, almost 3,800 square foot, almost just under, and 2 stories. Absolutely phenomenal. The metal roofing, the beautiful bay window, all of the things about this house just floor me every single time I look at it, and it's just so beautiful. And that 3-car garage is going to be hugely handy to have that extra space for either a car, a workshop, or something like that. But let's take a caveat real quick and talk about the 13-acre Central Park complex called Dapple Park with a 5-acre lake for paddle boating and kayak access. Absolutely stunning, beautiful little lake there. You have a clubhouse with a cafe and a full-time fitness center inside. You have forested trails all over the place. Absolutely beautiful. You have boardwalks, art integrated landscaping, and dog parks. Just stunning, stunning, stunning. But let's talk more about this house. Look at that bay window. Look at that beautiful, beautiful front porch. Perfectly sized for this home. Absolutely gorgeous. It just pulls you right into this home. I can't wait to get you into this gorgeous, gorgeous home. Look at the white brick and this, contrasting with that natural stone. Let's go inside and look at this gorgeous home. Let's do it. Well, this J Patrick home tour was phenomenal. The Falcon 2 floor plan knocked my socks off. It really is absolutely gorgeous. I enjoyed that game room and that theater room, and I know you did. And along with the rest of this beauty, golly, it's so gorgeous. But look, if you have any questions about any of that, any questions about this one or any other in this community, just let me know. My number and my email are right here. And I also have other contact information and resources in the description below. Speaking of that, my name is Jared Fikes. I'm with eXp Realty. I am your Houston, Texas real estate agent. Make sure that you hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss a single video. I put these out all the time, like these beautiful property tours and market stuff and great information for you. I don't want you to miss a single one. I'd love for you to be part of the YouTube family. All right, well, I have one more video I'd like to recommend to you. It's another J Patrick home tour. Absolutely stunning. It's the Comal 2 over in Magnolia, Texas, in Colton. And that's gonna be right here. Make sure you follow this link and click that. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Well, I wanna say thank you so much for watching this home tour and going on this home tour with me. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.